Motivating yourself can be challenging at times, especially when faced with tasks that may seem daunting or uninspiring. However, here are some practical tips that can help you boost your motivation. Set specific and achievable goals. Clearly define what you want to accomplish and set realistic, achievable goals. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, and time-bound. Smart. This will give you a sense of purpose and direction, and help you stay focused on what you want to achieve. Break tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Large tasks can be overwhelming, so break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. This will make them feel less daunting and easier to tackle. Celebrate small victories along the way, as this will provide a sense of accomplishment and motivation to keep going. Find your why. Understand the underlying reasons and motivations behind why you want to achieve a particular goal or complete a task. Reflect on how it aligns with your values, aspirations, and long-term vision. Having a clear understanding of your why can provide you with a sense of purpose and drive. Create a positive environment. Surround yourself with a positive and supportive environment. Eliminate distractions, declutter your workspace, and make it conducive to productivity. Surround yourself with people who inspire and motivate you, and engage in activities that uplift your mood and energy levels. Reward yourself. Create a system of rewards for yourself as you make progress towards your goals. Treat yourself to something enjoyable or meaningful after completing a task or achieving a milestone. This will create a positive association with the task or goal, and motivate you to continue. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and practice self-compassion. Recognize that setbacks and failures are part of the process, and do not beat yourself up over them. Instead, learn from them and use them as opportunities for growth and improvement. Visualize success. Take a few moments each day to visualize yourself successfully completing a task or achieving a goal. Imagine the positive feelings of accomplishment and satisfaction that come with it. Visualization can help you stay focused and motivated, and increase your belief in your own abilities. Seek support. Don't be afraid to seek support from others. Share your goals and progress with a trusted friend, mentor, or coach. They can provide encouragement, advice, and hold you accountable, which can significantly boost your motivation. Remember, motivation may fluctuate over time, and it's normal to have ups and downs. It's important to be patient with yourself and keep experimenting with different strategies until you find what works best for you.